opens this and has this in it. And now I'm gonna do this. I'm gonna open this.
What's it do?
It's fizzy.
And what are you supposed to do?
Look at that.
It fizzes to what? You can't wait, can you? What does it do, dude?
It's like fizzy in the water.
And what's it gonna, what, is there something in there?
Yeah, there's a guy in there.
Oh, you gotta let us know, because I don't know what's going on. And what is it? It's Ryan's World, what? Pocket watch? No, what is this thing called? Professor's Locker. Professor Ryan's Locker Surprise.
Yeah, you can walk it.
Okay, so what else did you get in there? While we wait for this thing to fizz,
We
what else came in there?
got this guy.
What is that guy? Is that Panda?
It's Combo Panda.
Combo, who?
Combo Panda.
So yeah, thank you for explaining.
So I got this pen.
Mm-hmm.
Take this off and that does actually do this. But this is not just any pen. Once
Yeah.
you put this,
Whoa! It's a flashlight?
yeah, and you can write on the slime.
Oh, and you have, what is this? Slime came in there too?
Yeah, slime came in there.
Okay, and what's this thing doing? Anything new?
It's like fizzy.
Okay, fizzy. Okay, what else came in there? It looks like there's a Ryan.
Yeah, Ryan, it's scientist Ryan.
Mm-hmm.
With a potion.
Mm-hmm.
This is Gus.
Where?
It's just an eraser of him.
Oh, Gus Eraser? Oh, the head of him?
Yeah, Combo.
Gotcha. Oh, whoa, there's a lot in this box.
And Ryan.
And you got, wait, erasers.
Yeah.
So show us. There's 3 erasers. Ryan's dome piece. Combo.
Yeah, Combo. Gus.
And Gus. Erasers. Then you've got Science Guy Ryan. Science Guy Combo.
And then right here's a potion and a robot.
A potion and a robot. Awesome. And then it all comes in the locker.
Yeah.
And show us the locker. What does the locker do?
So once you close this,
Yeah.
you could turn this and it walks.
So it's kind of like a locker at school, which they probably don't have anymore. Okay. Now, what do we got going over here, dude?
It's fizzing very slow.
It is. You want to try some more water or what?
Yeah.
Maybe slowly, not just dump it all in. Here, I got some more right here. I'll give you. Okay, slowly though. Because I think what you did is you poured it all in and it like didn't. You gotta get in the beaker, bro. There it goes. See what happens when you pour it. Whoa! That's kind of cool, huh? Whoa, whoa, ooh. How come your hands didn't melt? Ah! Can I try?
Yeah.
You really want to see what's in there.
It's like a bath bomb. I
Oh,
think I feel the guy.
you feel a guy in there? What guy do you think is going to be in there?
I don't know. Maybe like Ryan himself.
Okay, so should we come back and show you when it's done?
Whoa. What? Wait a minute. What's that?
Oh, what is that?
I just saw blue.
Oh no. Here, put some more water in.
Okay.
I think we need some paper towels. Okay, so What did we do? We took a break, cleaned up while it was fizzing.
Yeah.
And what's going on here?
It's deeper even more.
Even more deeper. Okay, let's watch it.
Once it gets to the bottom, then I can reach in and grab the guy.
Okay, let's time lapse. What do we got?
What's inside?
What is it?
Dad! I was right.
It's what?
It's Robot Ryan.
Let's see it. Show it to me.
Look, it has a blue eye.
Let's go. Show me the top.
Top is silver.
Can you pull it out?
Let's fire water.
Here, put it in there. And dump some water on it. Is that cool, Bush? Well, no, put some fresh water on it, dude. Is there any water in there? There you go. Oh, over there.
I need to get more water to get all of this.
I think it looks good.
Right off.
Awesome. So what is it?
And there's feet on there.
Okay, but just tell me what it is.
It's Robot Ryan. Robot Ryan. Dad, can you get more water in this? So.
This is this? I love it. This is what?
A robot.
This is Robot Ryan.
Hi, my name is Robot.
I'm Robot Ryan.